Okay, show us you can go backwards. No, it's okay. No picture. Can you go backwards and forwards now? Okay, back up. Flip the switch. The other way. Don't forget the button, the switch. Right here. Now go backwards. Ruin the trim. Okay, there you go. You just got to get the steering figured out, right? Go. There you go. Push the switch. The other way. Forwards. There we go. Good work. You almost got your driving license for Paw Patrol. You can join the team. Yep. Okay. Say bye. Say bye. Or hello. There we go. Project successful. I might just add a little knob to the switch to make it finished off. You gotta press the switch and go forwards. There you go. Whoa. Yep. Okay, we have some driving issues, but we'll get there.